What's up? Welcome to episode 1, where we're turning $100 into $1,000, okay? I just entered in a trade, and I thought, oh my god, I need to get the camera on. But as you can see right here, I'm looking at some candles, okay? I'm looking at some candles right now. And as you can see, I've got some hammers. I bought at the bottom here. When it made the quick move down to support, I took my bid order, I placed a bid order, and I got an ask order to sell at the top of the candle, okay? That's just gonna get me in and out of the trade, and it's gonna, in case it doesn't reverse, it's making signs it's gonna, okay? Perfect. But in case it doesn't, I'm out. And I actually think it's gonna go a bit lower, so I'm just trying to take this quick profits as we experience this hurried move to support. That's my call to make some profit, okay? Yep. So now I'm just waiting. All right, we just got filled there. So a little bit of price rejection on that candle. Yep, there goes the price rejection. Okay, that's fine. But we did make 26 cents on that trade. And all that adds up. Okay. So let's see here. OP. Oh, happy December. It's December 1st. Look at that. All right. So it looks like it is making some nice bullish moves. That's perfect. That's just perfect. So what we're going to do now is take advantage, okay? Looks like it broke. Let's look at this 5-minute candle here. Yeah, so it's past. I'll let it get to about 919, and once it's at about 919, I'm waiting for a slight pullback, and then I'm gonna get in. Yeah, once it's after 919, sorry. Looking at the 5-minute chart right now. Looks like we passed it, but the 1-minute chart over here isn't saying so just quite yet. I thought we did, but no, it was like 9:18. All right, so it looks like that is a resistance point. 919, 920, something like that. Load up the 1 minute here. Kind of take a look at that further and see what's going on. Yeah, so it's rejecting. There you go. So I'm gonna wait for it to get a little lower there. Okay, that's bullish right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Okay, we'll just do it again. There you go. Now we wait. Looks like we can find more resistance at about 940. That's about when I'm going to get out. And if this makes another hammer, I'm going to go ahead and add on one to my position. Okay, which it did. I'm going to let it close on the hammer. Okay, that's, in my defense, a hammer. I'm in there. And I'm just waiting to get out at 9. Might wanna get out at 934 actually. Looks like it's having some price rejection there. That's fine. So it looks like we're gonna want to get out there. Yeah, it's having a real big price rejection there. Alright, so that is bearish now. Almost seems as if sellers are in control. It might make a move to support. Let's see. It might. If this candle doesn't close as another hammer, it might. That's barely a hammer. I mean, so it closed. I'll call that a hammer. It closed on a hammer. So we're just gonna wait here and see what's going on. We're getting both price rejection off the bottom majorly is what it looks like. It a lot of price rejection at 920. Okay. Alright, so it's going against me now, so I'm just gonna see, looking for where support is. It might be making another accelerated move. Okay, so it looks like around 9. Nine to 9:10. See, I should have stuck to my word and waited for that that dip there. The emotions got to me. But that's okay. In my defense, I can add some more on here. Okay, there it goes. That's good. Try and take the bid there. Waiting for 907. If I don't get 907, that's fine. Alright. Looks like we're waiting now. Now it's either going to hit 934 or break past it. It's always going to depend on what it does in the next few seconds. Looks like price is pushing close, so yep, it's going to break past it. That's perfect. We're just going to wait here then. And this looks like it's even making a new support over here, so I'm just going to put in those two buys there just for grins. It might have already be gone, so I'm just gonna wait for some rejection there. It looks like it's rejecting barely. Oh yeah, there's some rejection. There's some rejection, but it is just going right now, so that's good. So right now I'm looking on the 30-minute chart, since we are getting a lot of volume for the 1 minute and 5 minute. I'm looking where I can see resistance at. Where is the other side of the argument wanting to come in? And I think since we okay, there's some rejection there. Also to the downside. I'm gonna go ahead and get out there. And that brought me up. Should have been like 74 cents. That's good. So yeah, it looks like bears are starting to come in now. I'm going to take advantage on the accelerated move to support. I might want to get in about right 9:30. Yeah, I'm going to say 9:36. And we'll see how that works. And then we'll just look for a quick in and out. If it wants to shoot down fast, we can get filled and then get out. Looks like it's already getting price rejection on the sell side, so it's bouncing. That's fine. That's good. So then I'm gonna put my I might put my buy higher now. I'm gonna put it about 950. Do 953. And yeah, as you can see, I didn't sell. I wasn't using a stop loss. Actually, it's pre-market right now, so I can't even use a stop loss if I wanted to. But I didn't sell when it went against me. Reason being is because I see the history of the stock. I'm using different time frames of the charts. I'm recognizing what the stock is capable of right now. And if it made a very, very swift move to the downside, absolutely destroying my argument, that in case could be another buying opportunity. Or if it's so swift, I might want to look at the news. I might want to see what's going on with the stock. I mean, chances are something bad could really happen, and I might just want to get out. Those are really unlucky times, and it's kind of good to take losses then. Chances are it's going to bounce back a little bit, but it's probably best to stay out after that. Okay, we got filled there. So now I'm just waiting for price rejection. That was a very accelerated move down to support. So that's perfect. That's perfect. Now we're just going to wait to get out. I'm going to say 960. I'm going to cut it. Actually, it's hammering. So it's actually going to go up higher, it seems like. We're just going to wait here. Now I'm just looking for price rejection on the top to see where it wants to go. What does it want to do? I'm not necessarily out of the stock yet. I'm kind of still looking at it, seeing how it wants to behave. It is rejecting on the top. That's fine. I'm not worried about it one bit. It should bounce off that support again, make a little rejection right there. And those are all key indicators, and I'm saying it should, right? So if it doesn't, what do I do if it doesn't? Well, I'm gonna consider waiting on the bounce back, and then I'm gonna get out of the position. My whole strategy's wrong. Okay, whole strategy's wrong. I'm just gonna wait for a little bounce, cut my losses, and I'm gonna get out of the position, and then I'm gonna have to re-look at what's going on. Okay, as of right now, it looks okay. Everything looks okay. Just gonna get ready here in case it makes a swift move to the upside. Get ready to lock in some gains. Okay, looks like it's rejecting higher on a price now. So price moved up and it's rejecting higher, which means there's support higher. That's very bullish. So that was false. It broke right past that new support that I was claiming. And it just went right back to the old support. That was interesting. Still rejecting off of that though. If this hammer closes, then that's going to be a very good hammer. Yep, there it goes. And now that looks like it's going to be a really nice swift move there. So we're just going to wait. We're just going to wait and see what's going on. Wait for swift gains. Oh, it's ejecting multiple times off that new resistance there. 965. And there it goes, it broke that. Alright, so this is where I'm going to want to add more. So I'm going to look for a nice move down to that support. Like that. And then I'm going to get out at 960. Maybe. That's a nice hammer, so you know, might want to wait, but we're just gonna see. I'm just speculating. We're gonna see right now. See what goes on. It looks like price is just approaching the rejection range, you know, where it sits at about 968. It's approaching it, and it's not getting rejected too hard. That's good news. There you go. Yeah, that's good. So it might make a swift move to about 989. I'm gonna consider getting out about there. And I think that's when shorts are definitely gonna start piling in. And then we can take advantage of it on another way down, on another dip. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's wanting to test it. Rejected again. So there, you know, it's still good for the bullish thesis. It's still good for it. But it's got to close, you know. I'm getting excited here. So it's got to close. there you go. I should probably have my hand ready on the sell in case it makes a real swift move up. It's making candles again. Hammers. Sorry, it's making hammers again. So I'm fond of it. I like it. But it's got to close. Otherwise, I'm just, getting excited and there it goes, there it goes. Ah, I wasn't ready. Got 964 there. Oh, should we wait? Should we wait? Okay, that tells me no. So I'm gonna set it. There it goes. So that was, what was it? 74. What was that? Let's see, so 96, it's $1. Right, so that was about, we'll just say 30 cents, right? Okay, we'll say OP 33 cents. Okay, look at these candles now. Going back up towards the resistance up there. Should have waited, I guess. Should have waited. And it's funny because the longer that you stay in a stock, and it almost seems if it's going against you, the faster you're going to take profit. So it's important that, oh, there goes, yep. It's important that you understand that. Because I understand it, and I'm still cutting fast, right? Especially when it just slightly goes against me. Look at that. Ah, that hurts. But that's okay. That's okay. And this is not the time I'm going to place an order. Sorry. I won't do it. But it is making a high resistance. So we're going to wait now. And we're going to wait and see what it does. If it makes a very accelerated move downwards, I won't take that lightly, and I'll get ready to put an order in. Looks like we're getting ready for market open, which is good. And it's testing it. It's testing that resistance again. So this might be the big move. But that's just me that wants to get in the stock. After seeing all these candles, I want to get in, right? Hard part is getting in on the dips and being a dip sniper. That's the hard part. Everyone wants to get in when the stock's making, all-time highs. Just gonna wait here. And this looks like a good bullish argument. So what I'm gonna do here, it's getting rejected. Oh, broke that. I think since I'm not sure. Yeah. We're gonna wait for the fast move down to support. Like that. Like that. That's easy money. That was 20. It was 18 cents. And now again, we can wait for the fast move down to support. That's easy money. So, I'm glad I waited. Right? Sometimes that's the best thing you do if you're not feeling comfortable. Just wait. You don't got to do anything. There we go. Take one there. And it's testing it, but it looks like it's not wanting to break. So we'll just get out there. And that is 8 cents. And that's probably all I'm going to do for right now. I'm just going to wait and see what happens with the stock. That's bullish right there. Okay, quick move to support. I didn't get it. That's okay. You might make it again. And it didn't. But we're just going to wait. We'll wait again. And I'm buying the bid and I'm selling the ask here. A lot of volume, and it looks like it's one to bounce there. But I'm just gonna wait. Because I am in the red right now. Just gonna wait. This might want to be a position I might want to cut now. But in the case that it's coming off support there, it's not. I don't want to cut it. Fast move down to support. I'm going to get in right there. Now we wait. There we go. That's the real rejection. So I should have stayed out. I knew it. I was a tad bit unsure about putting the order right there. It was in the middle. It wasn't even at support. I thought I could just catch it going on the upside, and I messed up on that. So saying that I messed up and everything's invalid, I might just want to go ahead and get out. It's fallen, and I'm just gonna wait for a little jump up, and I'm out. I'm gonna take my loss, because a loss like this could just wipe out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's just dumping. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Okay, that put me in the negative. That just ruined all the gains. So that hurts. That's sad. But that's okay. We can make it up. And it's better to cut when, you realize you're wrong. And I should have done it sooner. But it's better to cut when I realize I was wrong. And then take the loss, get out, hurry up, and re-enter. Then let it drag on, because I don't even know what the stock's going to do now. Looks like it's going to bounce off of 894. Actually, right there. So what I might do is put 3 orders in. Oh, it already bounced. Look at that. I shouldn't have cut it. Look at that. That's painful. That is painful. Look at your charts. Oh my gosh. That's a mistake. I did not look at my 30-minute. I should have saw that. It was heading towards that support. A quick move down to support. Oh, I didn't see it. That hurts. But we're only down 6 cents, right? We made $1 or something, and we're down 6. Whatever. Down 6 cents. That's fine. And it's halting. Okay. That hurts. I'm complaining now. I can't believe I didn't see that. I didn't see it. I'm crying like a baby. Oh God, I'm so sad right now. I just took all those losses. I just lost all the gains. That's what happens. Look. Oh God, that's what happens. But that's okay. The stock did what I thought it was gonna do. It bounced off the support. So, and it actually made a higher knob on here. It made a higher knob on the 30-minute. So that's bullish. I mean, so we have multiple opportunities today. I'm glad I only took one when I was unsure at that range there. And I'm glad I only added one when I thought it was support there. That's good. Man, I gotta get better at that. I'm gonna write that down right now. We're gonna write it down. I got sticky notes here. We need to write it down. Cut quick when unsure. That's what I'm putting up. Because, man, that sucks. Well, I mean, you know, barely a loss though, right? That is what is important. I can still make it up, still be green on the day. That's great. And, you know, learn a lot from it. It just, oh man, that hurts so bad. I can't believe I didn't look at my 30-minute. Oh, and that was such a quick move to support. I sold at the bottom. That's what emotions will do to you, man. Ah, got me. Got me. I should have cut it. Oh, I should have cut it. And then I should have got back in at that support there. That's what I should have done. Dang it. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. It's the name of the game. Put my sticky note up. And it looks like we're waiting on the halt now. That's fine. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. So if it's right, and that's port, we're gonna bounce. No. Don't do me like that again. Ah. Okay, it's break time. It's break time. Ah, I messed it up. I'm so sad. It's break time. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna get back with a fresh mind. And wow, that sucks so bad. I can't believe I didn't look at my chart. And you see, my emotions are like, blah, blah, blah. I didn't even believe in the play just now that it was going to bounce off support, which it totally did. So, time to take a breather. Time to take a break, breather, slap, you know, something. Get back and continue trading, okay? So, we're going to call this episode 1. Ah, that hurt. Okay. All right, it's okay. But we're only down 17 cents. We're going to get back, though, so I got to write it down. Where's my red pen? To let them know it's a red. Oh, God, it's a red. OP. That lost $1.50. 158 and then some. 17 cents plus that. 158 plus 17. 156. Yep, 17. We're gonna say 155. That's fine. 155. Oh, that hurt. Okay, that's fine. Oh yeah, look. Okay, I'm trying to confirm everything right now. I'm so sad that I lost it. So I'm gonna take a break and do something else. Okay, I'll be right back. We'll see you in a second. Woo! All right, just went for a jog. I'm back. Good thing is that we're still at the support here. Oh God. So I'm guessing I can come back in, okay? I'm guessing I can come back in. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm coming back in. I'm risking it. I still can't believe I made that mistake, but it's okay. We're good now. Oh man. Let's see. see what it's saying. A lot of rejection there. That's good. I'm gonna get in again. And I think that's all the size I'm gonna take. Now we're just gonna wait. Okay, and it broke that one. So yeah, we are very bullish right now. I think my exit's gonna be 940. We're gonna say 940. Oh, if it's rejecting, right? If it's rejecting off 940, if not, then we need to stay in the trade. Otherwise, if we just think, oh, 940, then I just go in parabolic, that's gonna kind of suck. Just waiting. It's rejecting higher now. Oh, I said that was all the size I'm gonna take, so I'm gonna stick to it. But I would start averaging up right now. But I gotta be able to, see these things early and say, I gotta be able to say, okay, if it starts rejecting higher, I'm gonna average up. I said I wasn't gonna average up, so we're just gonna stick to that right now. We're just gonna wait. Getting ready to sell at 9 something if I see some nice rejection. Oh, I'm so mad about that loss. but I'm okay. I'm able to come back and take the next trade. That's what's important. Otherwise, we wouldn't have made up the loss. Wouldn't have made it back. Getting ready here. Yeah, so that's looking like a head and shoulders, so I'm actually okay with that. We might see a nice move to the upside, a real nice move to the upside, and I think that's what the 30-minute chart is showing. So we're just waiting. We're going to let it develop. Let it develop. Look at that. Nice rejection on the bottom. Big rejection on the bottom. There you go. Just waiting. Okay, there's a rejection I was talking about, but we're gonna see if it wants to stay down or if it wants to keep fighting it. Okay, it wanted to fight that, so I'm gonna try and get out at about 9:28 next time, and then I'm going to re-enter the range again on the bottom side. Or it might not be smart. Maybe I'll just hold it because I can anticipate there's going to be a nice run up. Maybe that's smarter. So we'll see. Just waiting and watching here. Good. Looks like we're seeing rejection again. But it seems as if this might be the bullish time because of the kind of rejections that we are seeing. This might be the time where I would consider adding more if I was going to. This might be the time. Very good. All right. So it did hit that resistance, but it looks like it's not scared of it. So we're gonna see some moves to the upside. Oh yeah, it's not scared of it at all. All right, we're just waiting here. We're gonna wait for some real big price rejection. Otherwise, I'm not getting out. I'm greedy on this one here. Waiting for that big price rejection. I want to see sharp. I want to see sharpness. I want it to hit it, and then I just want to see it go boom, right back down. See, that's not necessarily sharp as I would like. That's not as sharp as I was like. It was okay, but I want it sharper. Watching and waiting. Still waiting on real sharp price rejection. Doesn't look like it yet. Wow. That's excellent. That's probably where I'm gonna wanna get out about 980. So just want to buy that dip right now. So we're waiting for price rejection. Again, on the 903, some of that. Oh, it's was kind of rejecting a little higher right there. Yeah, I did. Which is good. Whatever. And now I want to see where it goes. If it rejects off that level on the top again, then I'm out. If it doesn't, I'm still in. I mean, it did make a higher low. It went all the way down to support, but it was an accelerated move down to support, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Just letting it work, letting the candles work. think we're in a bullish argument now for sure. And now we wait for that move back up. Just waiting here, because once we finish this trade, it's going to be it for the day. So we're just waiting. I'm going to take my time with it. It is, you know, still a bullish argument for me. So maybe lesson learned was, since it made that real nice rejection here, that should have told me that it was going to go a little bit higher, and then it's time to get out of that position. I wasn't reading that right. But we will see a bounce here. We're just waiting on that. not much rejection on the upside, so that's good. It looks like this might be our time to shine here. There we go. So big rejection there. We're gonna let the candle close and we'll see what goes on. Okay. Getting ready to get out here. Okay, interesting. Looks like 9:45 might be the ticket out. Let's see what it does. All right, I'm out there, and we are up $3.14. So we made it out. OP $3 and let's see, what's 14 plus 17? 14 plus 10 is 24. So we're looking at $3.31 on that trade. And that looks like I'm gonna be done for today. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. What a roller coaster. We made some money, and we were being very consistent. And then we got out at the worst possible moment. We were not a dip sniper. We got it at the worst possible moment on that play. And we made it back though. We made it back. We knew our trade, which is what's important. That's why we sized up. We knew our trade, and we got back in. Okay? So we made up for the loss. We made up a good amount on the loss. Okay, now I could just let this trade go, but I think I'm done. Video's long enough, right? All right, guys, take it easy. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, peace.